Good evening, everyone. It's great to see you all here for another session of the Detox series. Today's topic explores tools that have revolutionized how we manage and monitor social media, Hootsuite and TweetDeck. Our speaker Roshan will guide us through the functionalities, benefits, and real-world applications of these platforms, whether scheduling posts, tracking trends, or engaging with audience. These tools are indispensable for effective social media management and communication. Without further ado, let's welcome Roshan to the stage to take us through this exciting topic. Roshan, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Andrea. Let's begin. Hootsuite and TweetDeck are powerful social media management tools which are commonly used in disaster management to monitor, analyze, and respond to disaster-related conversation on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. In the context of disaster management, both tools serve as valuable resources for agencies, emergency responders, NGOs, and government organizations to coordinate communication efforts, enhance situational awareness, and respond effectively during crisis. First, we can look at Hootsuite. Hootsuite in disaster management. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that allows organizations to monitor multiple social media channels from single dashboard. It provides features like scheduling posts, managing multiple accounts, and tracking conversation through keywords filters. Real-time monitoring of crisis conversation. Hootsuite allows users to set up custom streams to track conversation based on keywords, hashtags, geolocations, and social media mentions. For example, during a hurricane, emergency responders can create streams to monitor hashtag hurricane with its name, like collaborative communication across teams, team collaboration. Hootsuite allows teams to share tasks and responsibilities. For instance, while one team monitors incoming reports, another can create or schedule official updates for the public. This is crucial in emergency communication to avoid overlapping messages and to ensure consistent information is disseminated. Scheduling posts. Hootsuite enables disaster management agencies to schedule pre-prepared posts that can be triggered during a disaster. For example, evacuation notices or emergency numbers can be scheduled for specific times or released automatically based on certain triggers. Analytics and reporting for post-disaster analysis. After a disaster, Hootsuite provides tools for analyzing the performance of communication efforts. This includes metrics like post engagement, reach, and sentiment analysis, which help agencies evaluate the effectiveness of their messages. Now let's look at TweetDeck. TweetDeck is a Twitter-specific management tool that allows users to manage and monitor multiple Twitter accounts. It is favored for its simplicity, real-time functionality, etc. TweetDeck is utilized during disaster management in following ways: monitoring critical hashtags and keywords in real time. TweetDeck allows users to set up columns based on specific hashtags, accounts, keywords, and geolocation. For example, during a wildfire, agencies can create columns to monitor keywords such as hashtag wildfire, hashtag fire rescue, etc. Geotagged tweets. Emergency responders can monitor geotagged tweets from disaster zones to pinpoint areas where help is needed. Crisis information sharing and response. TweetDeck enables emergency responders to post real-time updates and respond to questions or requests from the public. It is especially useful for providing live updates during fast-moving disasters. Filtering relevant information from noise. TweetDeck filters options help emergency teams to avoid information overloaded by narrowing down tweets to those containing relevant keywords, users, and mentions. Coordination between multiple Twitter accounts. Managing multiple accounts. Disaster management organizations often operate multiple Twitter accounts. TweetDeck allows this to be managed from single interface, ensuring consistent messaging across all channels. So how it is executed, these apps are executed during disaster. In the preparation stage, agencies set up Hootsuite and or TweetDeck with custom streams, hashtags and geolocation filters for monitoring potential threats. During active disaster response. As disaster unfolds, the tools are used to track live reports from affected areas, government agencies, citizens. Teams continuously monitor real-time conversation to identify needs for rescue, humanitarian aid, and critical public sentiment. And post-disaster analysis. Both tools are used to evaluate the effectiveness of social media communication during the crisis. Insights into what type of posts work best, where gaps in communication occur, and public sentiment help improve future disaster management strategies. Thank you.
Thank you, Roshan, for this insightful presentation on Hootsuite and TweetDeck. It's amazing to see how these tools simplify and enhance social media management, making them essential in today's digital landscape. With such engaging and information sessions, the Detox series continues to inspire and educate us all. Wishing everyone a wonderful evening and looking forward for more insightful discussions in the upcoming session. Thank you.